We'll guide you through how to edit your Wix website with the latest tools and features. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, go to the Wix website and log into your account. Once you're in, navigate to the dashboard where you can see all your sites. Click on the site you want to edit. This will take you to the editor. In the editor, you have the freedom to modify almost every element on your site. You can start by clicking on any text box to edit the content directly. Simply click on the text and start typing to change the wording. If you want to change the style, look for the toolbar that appears above the text box where you can adjust the font, size, color, and alignment. To add new elements like images or buttons, go to the left-hand side panel and click on the Add button. From there, you can choose from a variety of elements like images, text, buttons, and more. Drag and drop the element wherever you want it on your page. Need to tweak the layout? Click on the Layouts icon and select different layout options for your sections. You can also adjust the spacing and alignment to make everything look just right. If you want to change the background of a section, click on the section itself and then click on the Change Background button. You can choose a solid color, image, or even a video for a dynamic background. Once you've made your changes, always remember to click on the Preview button at the top right to see how your site looks. If you're happy with the changes, click Publish to make your edits live. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.